slowly. Assembly of your SharkEye wheel liner. You only need to assemble the heads, you'll only need Allen keys. So most things are Allen keys. The first things first, take the little gub screw out of the hanger. Put this, there's only one hole in this, and the hole's on the front. This, where the roof nut is, goes to the front. If you don't put it in that way, it basically won't work. That you won't be able to grip it. So screw the hand wheel in. So what I've just done, I'll just put that into the top of the laser head. And we're in. So put this in the hanger through the holes. You'll find its way. A little bit of WD-40 and it'll be fine. So let's get that screwed up. Let's turn it upside down before we forget. And very important, this little grub screw back into the bottom of the hanger there, and it faces this way. If you put it on the inside, it'll go on there and you won't have any lift with that, you won't have the length with it. Just be careful you do it, because a lot of people do put that grub screw that side and then ring us to tell us that the aligner doesn't work. Not too tight. So that's the initial putting together of one head. What we're going to do now, we're going to put the rim buttons in. Don't want to teach you how SharkEye, but these go against the rims. These butt up against the rims on the when it goes to the wheel. They've got the capped head screw bolt. You've got a spring and you've got two washers. So bolt, spring, washer, this side in, which you can see that, which how you can. Washer either side.
One time, I had it taking a BB on top. It looked
So in that way, I'm sure there's a diagram in the assembly instructions, and I think we'll probably throw one up there as well to show you all the components and which way it goes in. So sign it up, take the slack out of it, that's all you want to do. They are actually machined for the the screw thread is machined so it goes in anywhere. So that's in that one, the top one. That one's for your camber. And these two and this part of the back plate are for your toes. So same again.
go one and say that
For the what I will just speed it up.
what is the path toward the review is one other.
We've got these in other videos.
Yeah. And what I'll do is I just fast forward to break the instructions. People see that you're installing will be parts.
Are you filming?
Let's stay the little bit. You know, in 20 minutes back for the back. All done. Bit of WD-40 clear grease on these will help them move like liquid, and same again on this on the hanger. A bit of WD-40, bit of clear grease will make it move very well. So that's the first head. Rinse and repeat for the other head. When the cover plate on, after you put the rim buttons in, very, very straightforward. It just keeps the dirt out of the mechanism, and it looks good. So the two little rubber screws that were up here, this is what we're for. Very, very simple operation. Do it on both of them because you've got two. And put it down. And pretty much good to go. That is one completed hanging. The final thing you do with these is basically a bit of WD-40, as I said, be on there, be on the rim buttons, make some, oh yeah, bit one on that one there. These are vinyl washers, they're a bit of WD-40 makes them glide really, really well. I mean, that is very good. And then we have two built up laser heads for the Whippet. A few questions. Well, I'll answer a few questions first. Sometimes these come in red. Sometimes they come in black. Sometimes they come in matte. Sometimes they come in gloss. Sometimes they don't come in gloss and they come in red. Don't at me if you get a completely different color scheme to these. We do change the colors, not that often, but we do change them. And right now we are transitioning to matte black with traffic red. But you may have gloss black with traffic red, or you may just have gloss black completely, or you may just have matte black, or you may just have full traffic red. These will always be black on the laser tubes, but the rest may change. Also with a Whippet, this is what you bought. You have one mirror and one laser. What this machine does is that laser comes on and it goes to the mirror and comes back to this like this. So this is how it works. The mirror has a scale on it, and the toe scale has a toe scale. If you forward on to the next section of this, I'm going to show you how to install it. Then I'm going to show you how to use it properly. So bear with, this video may be cut into 3, as I keep on telling you, it may be cut into 4. But just, you'll find it'll be how to use the Whippet. Right, here we have your wall bracket, your light wall bracket. This is very, very easy to install. You've got your magnetic single charger, and you have your USB through, click them in, and there you go. That's what you have. In the box also, there's some, some little clips, stick-on clips that will keep it in tie straps, that will keep it in place for when you go to the charging. Don't worry about it if it drops onto that, it's thingy. You plug universal, lots of different types of chargers, just click it in the one that you want. That's the UK plug. You've got the American, got the European, I think that's Australian. So that's it, that's all you need. So that concludes this part of the video, which is how to assemble your new Whippet aligner. And let's go on to the next part, which is where I show you how to use the Whippet aligner.